Have you ever wondered how the diversity of Buddhist traditions impacts the celebration of day of the birth of Gautama the Buddha? Is Indian Buddha Purnima celebration a colonial legacy? Today, as we delve into the complex journey of divergent Buddhist traditions, we will be unraveling the mystery of different dates of the birth of Buddha, tracing their roots and their evolution over time. We know that Buddhism, which originated in India, gradually spread across different parts of Asia. Buddhism has a rich history with its colorful tapestry with plurality of traditions, which is a testament finding the thread that unites through the divergent traditions of this ancient path to wisdom that arose and developed in the eastern part of India. During the Ashokan era, Kathavatu, a text which is part of the Pali Abhidhamma Pitaka, mentions about 18 distinct Buddhist traditions. Each of these traditions has a unique story, contributing to the colorful and pluralistic mosaic of Buddhist history. As time moved forward, these 18 traditions, that included modern-day surviving monastic schools of Buddhism, such as Theravada, Mulasarvastivada, and Dharmagupta, spread throughout South Asia, Central Asia, and the Western Himalaya. In South Asia, Buddhism in countries such as Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Thailand, Laos, and Cambodia adhered to the Theravada, originally derived from the Sthaviravada Nikaya. Their teachings found a foundation in the Pali scriptures. Meanwhile, in Central Asia, the Himalayas, and the Trans-Himalayan region, the foundation of Buddhism lies in the Buddhist canonical scriptures known as Agama, originally written in Sanskrit. The Chinese Buddhists adhere to the Sanskrit Agama of the Dharmagupta tradition, while the Mulasarvastivada tradition found its home in Tibet and the neighboring Himalayan regions. These traditions, though united in their core beliefs, have minor differences in their Vinaya, Sutra, and Abhidharma texts. And in addition to this, they had variations in the source language of their canonical literature. And it is interesting to note that among this diversified traditions of Buddhism, the celebration day of the birthday of Gautama the Buddha varied significantly. Shaped by the uniqueness of their cultural traditions and canonical texts, in different regions of Asia, Buddha's birthday was celebrated on different dates. Now let us fast forward to time period of colonial India. In the 19th century, British rulers of India favored the Pali Buddhism. They appropriated and approved Sri Lankan Buddhist tradition for India, leading to the widespread adoption of Vesak Buddha Purnima as Buddha's birthday celebration across different parts of the country. And it goes unnoticed that even after India's independence, the same has been continued. Therefore, it is worth noting that in the Himalayan regions of India, where Buddhist traditions sourced from Sanskrit still thrive, Buddha Purnima, known as Sakadawa, is celebrated on a different date. It is on the full moon day in the month of Jyeshtha Shukla Paksha, and not in the month of Vaishakha. Likewise, in China and East Asia, where the Dharmaguptika Agama tradition is followed, Buddha's birthday is celebrated not on Purnima or full moon day, but on the 8th day of Vaishakha's bright half-fortnight. Thus, across continents, the celebration dates of Buddha's birth diverge. In Sri Lanka, Burma, Thailand, and Laos, Buddha's birth is celebrated on the Vaishakha full moon day. In China, Hong Kong, Vietnam, the Philippines, and East Asia, the 8th day of Vaishakha's bright half-fortnight is reserved for this celebration. In the highlands of Tibet, Bhutan, and beyond, Buddha's birth is celebrated on the full moon day of Jyeshtha. Thus, when we navigate this rich tapestry of Buddhist history and traditions, we unravel the intricate threads of Buddhism. We need to explore how cultural and linguistic nuances have led to divergence of the day of birth of the Buddha. A holistic understanding of Buddhism inspires us to uncover this interplay of culture, history, and colonial influences that shapes our understanding of present Buddhist history and tradition across Asia.